lovers trend in the Guy Peep, and Kimeral Dongyan, who is still prevalent these days. Following the success of their first TV series, My Driver, Sweet Lover, Danita Panner and JC De Vera's on-screen romance is said to have leveled up. But singer-turned-actress Danita would rather not label what she and JC have. What you see is what you get, Danita declared. Kristen Stewart is studio choice to play Snow White. Twilight star Kristen Stewart has been approached to play Snow White in a new adaptation of the popular fairy tales. Studio bosses are looking to cast the actress in the lead role of their upcoming fantasy film, Snow White and the Huntsman, according to The Hollywood Reporter.